Train simulator, bitch, motherfucker, what you know? Train simulator, bitch, watch that train go. I pull up to the station, yeah, I'm on time. Stacking mad chips when they hop on my line. I ride trains all day like it's my motherfucking day job. Just give me the controls and I motherfucking take off. Cause every driver knows a train needs some loving. 102 hours played, I regret nothing.
Oh my god, can you imagine if I did the video like that? No, here's how I'm gonna do the video.